Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today's tutorial I would like to show you how to create an aesthetic Instagram post by Canva application on iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your Canva application, and after you open it, you just need to go click this plus button and start typing in the search button a Instagram post. And there will be pop up here. You just need to choose which type of canvas ratio that you want to have. You can choose a portrait or square. And after you pick the canvas, there will be pop up to you the template of the post that you can use. For example, you want to do it this, just need to go click it, and you just need to change the picture with the picture of you by go click replace and choose the picture of you. And whenever you're done, you can also adjusting the position of your picture by go click twice and drag it into the specific positions that you want to have. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click done. If you not satisfied with the color of the picture that you have and you want to make it like going darker, you just need to slide this part into the left side until you found adjust. You just need to go into the adjust part, and you can adjusting everything according to the picture. You can go into the brightness and make it like less bright by drag this part into the left side to make it darker. And don't forget to go into the contrast and make your picture like have a big contrast or high contrast. And whenever you're done, you just need to go back and you are done. So this is the looks of the fits that probably you will have. And after that, you just need to go click this part to save your picture. You can also directly click the Instagram personal, or you just need to download it to save this picture into your device. So that's the way how to create Instagram posts with a Canva application. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.